Algorand cost all things considered, equivalent to $0.1470 a coin, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.1448 0.1489, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.1478, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The change fundamentally was 0.0008, 0.54%, which by and large is very critical. Backwards rate, USD to ALGO, which by and large is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.14, sort of most extreme 0.15, fundamentally least 0.13, which by and large is very critical. Algorand gauge on Monday, June 5, costs $0.14, in every practical sense, greatest 0.15, really least 0.13, or so they generally thought. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, costs $0.14, certainly most extreme 0.15, especially least 0.13, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, June 7, costs $0.14, beautiful greatest 0.15, especially least 0.13, which by and large shows that Algorand estimate on Monday, June 5, costs $0.14, essentially most extreme 0.15, in every practical sense, least 0.13 in a significant way. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, costs $0.14, in every practical sense, greatest 0.15, sort of least 0.13 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand gauge on Friday, June 9, costs $0.14, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.15, truly least 0.13 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 12, costs $0.14, most certainly greatest 0.15, fundamentally least 0.13. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, costs $0.13, extremely greatest 0.14, by and large least 0.12 amazingly. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, costs $0.13, genuinely most extreme 0.14, sort of least 0.12. In about 14 days Algorand estimate on Thursday, June 15, costs $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, least 0.12 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 16, costs $0.13, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.14, least 0.12 in an unpretentious way. Algorand gauge on Monday, June 19, costs $0.13, essentially most extreme 0.14, especially least 0.12. Fundamentally further appearance how Algorand conjecture on Monday, June 19, costs $0.13, really greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12 in a significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, costs $0.13, essentially most extreme 0.14, all things considered, least 0.12. So Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, costs $0.14, especially greatest 0.15, really least 0.13, which sort of is very critical. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, June 21, costs $0.12, kind of most extreme 0.13, really least 0.11, or so they in a real sense thought. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, costs $0.12, most extreme 0.13, by and large least 0.11 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand figure on Friday, June 23, costs $0.12, certainly most extreme 0.13, certainly least 0.11, so Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, costs $0.13, greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12, so Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, costs $0.14, most extreme 0.15, least 0.13 in a kind of significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 26, costs $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, least 0.11 in a quite huge way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, costs $0.12, genuinely greatest 0.13, least 0.11 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, costs $0.13, sort of most extreme 0.14, all things considered, least 0.12. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.12, exceptionally greatest 0.13, sort of least 0.11 in a very significant manner. In about a month, Algorand gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.12, most certainly greatest 0.13, least 0.11 in a quite huge way. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $0.12, by and large greatest 0.13, exceptionally least 0.11 in a for the most part significant manner. Algorand conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost $0.12, truly most extreme 0.13, truly least 0.11, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO conversion scale truly equivalent to 6.8027 coins per $1, which really is very critical. Today, S reach 6.7159 minus 6.9061, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The past day, S nearby 6.7659, which truly is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0368, plus 0.54% in an every practical sense, large way. USD to ALGO cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 7.143 coins, greatest 7.692, really least 6.667, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 7.143 coins, all things considered, most extreme 7.692, exceptionally least 6.667 in a very significant way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 7.143 coins, exceptionally most extreme 7.692, least 6.667, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 7.143 coins, really greatest 7.692, by and large least 6.667, which generally shows the Algorand figure on Monday, June 5, cost $0.14, exceptionally greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13, which for the most part is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Algorand estimate on Thursday, June 8, cost 7.143 coins, extremely greatest 7.692, truly least 6.667, which fundamentally shows that in multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.14, sort of most extreme 0.15, especially least 0.13, or so they in a real sense thought. USD to ALGO expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 7.143 coins, essentially most extreme 7.692, especially least 6.667 and in an every way that really matters, significant way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, June 12, cost 7.143 coins, kind of most extreme 7.692, certainly least 6.667, showing how Algorand